morning, children. I am your maths teacher. Warm welcome to you. Open your notebooks, pencil, eraser. Let us start our lesson. In previous class, I explained about extended form, short form, comparing numbers. I think you practice well at home. Today, I am going to explain identifying greatest and smallest numbers in the given number series. And second one, how to write ascending order and descending order of numbers. How to write ascending order and descending order of numbers. And now, so I am going to the first topic, identifying greatest and smallest numbers in the given number series. See, with example I will explain. First example, I am taking numbers. See how many numbers I wrote on the board? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers. Out of these 4 numbers, you should write greatest and smallest numbers. In these 4 digits, which is the greatest and which is the smallest, you have to write. What is the first step? What you have to do? Count the number of digits in the number. See how to count. This is the first number. I am counting the number of digits in the number. 1, 2, 3. This is a 3-digit number. And here I am counting 1, 2, 3, 4. In the second number, 4 digits are there. In third number, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is also 4-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is also 4-digit number. So, 1 is the 3-digit number, remaining 3 are the 4-digit numbers. So first you want to write the greatest number in these 4 numbers. See, greatest number. Greatest number is. What is the greatest number? This is the 3-digit number. So 4-digit numbers are greater. So in these 3 4-digit numbers are there. In these 3, which is the greatest number? You want to see means, see the leftmost place value. That means 1000 place value. What is the number here? Thousands place? See, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. You know that. So in thousands place, what number is here? 4. Here 4. Here 5. So which is greater? 5 is greater. So this is the greatest number. What is the greatest number? The greatest number is 5126. This is the greatest number. Now I am going to explain the smallest number. Smallest number is, see, what is the smallest number? Here see, this is the 3-digit number, remaining 3 are 4-digit number. You know that 3-digit number is smaller than 4-digit number. So what is the smallest number? 387. 387. Let us see another example. See, here I am taking 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. In these 4, out of these 4 numbers, you have to take one greatest number and one smallest number. So first step, what we have to do? Count the number of digits in the number. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. First is the 4-digit number. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4. Second number also, it having 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is also 4-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is also 4-digit number. So all are 4 digits. Then what is the second step? See the leftmost value, that is thousands plus value. Here what is there in thousands? In first number, what is the thousands plus value? 6. In the second number, what is the thousands plus value? 6. In third number also 6. In fourth number also 6. So all are starting with 6. So then you go to the right side of the leftmost number. That means you go and see the next right side number. See, here 3, here 0, here 5, here 1. So all the digits are different. So which is the greater number? 3, 0, 5, 1. Which is the greater one? Yes, 5 is the greater number. So 6527 is the greatest number. So greatest number is number is 6527. Now we have to write the smallest number. See here, all the same thing now. You check the second digit in the number, that is hundreds plus digit. You have to check it because thousands plus digit in all the numbers same. So you go to the right side of that number. Here 3, here 0, here 5 and here 1. Which is the smaller one? Yes, 0 is the smaller one. So smallest number is 6026. Clear, children? Now I am going to explain ascending order and descending order. First, ascending order. Ascending order. Now I am going to explain ascending order and descending order. What is the meaning of ascending order? Arrange the given numbers from small to big. Arrange the numbers from smaller to greater. Arrange the given digits smaller to greater. What the descending order means? Arrange the given numbers from greater to smaller. A small confusion in both of these writing. See, ascending order starting with letter A and descending order D. See here, you know that letters are starting, numbers are starting from 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes? Which is the smaller one? 1 is the smaller one. Starting number is smaller one. So, in alphabet letters, A is the starting letter. So, you write small to big. you remember it. And descending order, reversing order, greater to small. Clear, children? Now, we will arrange the numbers in ascending order. See, I will take one example. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. I am taking the question. I am writing the question. See, 387, 462, 4062, 4426, and another number 5128. See, these numbers you should arrange in ascending order. See, first step, you should arrange these numbers in ascending order. First step, count the digits in the number. See, in first number, what are the number of digits? See, 1, 2, 3. 3 digits are there. And in second number, 1, 2, 3, 4 digits are there. In third number, 1, 2, 3, 4 digits are there. In fourth number, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are there. So, which is the smaller one? Ascending order means arrange the numbers from smaller to greater. So, which is the smaller one? 387 is smaller. So, first you write that number. Remaining 3 numbers are number of digits are same. So, you have to check the leftmost value, that is thousands place number. See, here 4 and here 5. Which is the smaller one? 4 is the smaller one. But here, starting with 4, 2 numbers are there. This is 4062 and this is 4426. Then these both are starting with 4. Then same numbers. Then you go to the next right to that number. So, see here. Now, here it is 0 and here it is 4. So, which is the smaller one? Yes, 4062 is the smaller one. 0 is the smaller one. So, this is the smaller number. 4062. Then you write 4426. Then greatest number is 5128. So the given sum is a ascending order. Now, I am giving another example. $6,399, $2,999, $1,089, $4,326. See here, first step what you have to do, count the number of digits in each number. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits in first number. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits in second number. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits in third number. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits in fourth number. So, then what we have to do? See the leftmost number. That is the thousands place value in each number. See, this is starting with 6. This is starting with 2. This is starting with 1. This is starting with 4. So, which is the greater? Yes, 6 is the greater. But you have to write in ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to bigger. So you have to see smaller one. Which is the smaller one? 6214. Which is the smaller one? 1089 is smaller one. That we have to write first. Then what is the second? This is completed. Then next smaller number 624. Next one is 2000. So 2919. What is the next remaining two? You see which is the smaller one? Yes, 4 is the smaller one. So 4326. Next one 6399. That's all. This is about ascending order. Now arrange. Descending order means greater to smaller. So arrange the following numbers in descending order. That is greater to smaller. I am taking same numbers and I am writing in descending order. Same process, but you should write from greater to smaller. Count the number of digits first. Count the number of digits in each number. See, here what are the number of digits? 1, 2, 3, 3 digits. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. So first one is 3 digits, remaining 3 are 4 digit numbers. You have to see 4 digits of numbers. Here you have to check it greater number. In these 3, which is the greater? Here 4, leftmost number. You have to check the leftmost number. Here 4 and here 3. Which is the greater? 5 is the greater. So that number is greater than remaining 3 numbers. So what is that number? 5128 is greater. Next, you check the remaining 3. This is a 3-digit number, this is 4-digit number, and this is the 4-digit number. So these two starting from 4, with 4. This is 4 and this is 4. Then you go to the next right place of that number. Here 0 and here 4. Which is greater? Yes, 4 is greater. So this number is greater than this number. 4426 is greater than 4062. So first you write, next number is 4426. Next you check it the two numbers. This is the 3-digit number, this is the 4-digit number. You know that 4-digit number is greater than 3-digit number. So third number is 4062. Next you write 3-digit number, 387. Next another example. See here, these are all 4-digit numbers. Already I counted the numbers, so I told like that. See, in first number 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is also 4-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is also 4-digit number. So this is descending order. Descending order means greater to smaller. So see the all are 4-digit numbers. First you see the thousands place number in each number. Thousands place digit in each number. See here 6, here 2, here 1, here 4. So which is the greater one? Yes, 6399 is the greater number. Now you check, so you write that number first. Then you check next 3 numbers. This is 2, 1, 4. So which is greater? 4 is greater. So this number will come in the next place. So 4326 is the second highest number. Next, In these two, compare these two. Here 2, here 1. Which is greater? 2 is greater. So, third greatest number is 2919. Next number is 1089. This is the descending order. Children, are you follow? Now I will give you homework for you. Do it and check your answer in the afternoon session. Thank you. I will meet in the next class.